Want your home to feel smarter, smoother, and way more effortless? These Maison smart home gadgets are built to simplify daily life and take care of the little things for you. From lighting and security to comfort and automation, they quietly work behind the scenes so you don't have to. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Old school tech meets futuristic vibes. This Nixie-style clock recreates the iconic glowing tube look using a modern color display, so you get the charm without the fragility. The transparent glass design lets you see the electronics inside, turning your desk into a mini sci-fi exhibit. Custom RGB backlighting sets the mood whenever you want, and you can switch between time formats, visual styles, and even display media. Easy assembly means you're up and running in minutes, so if you want a glowing desk centerpiece, scan the QR on screen. Laundry doesn't have to steal your whole evening anymore. This smart folding machine turns messy piles into neatly folded clothes in minutes, right in front of you. You feed items in one by one, and robotic arms handle the boring part with clean, consistent folds. It works great for everyday adult clothing and towels, saving you time and mental energy. Less folding means more time for you to relax or focus on what actually matters. So if you want effortless laundry days, scan the QR on screen. Plastic wrap chaos ends right here. This clever foil and wrap dispenser lets you pull, cut, and seal with just one hand. The hidden double blade slices clean every time, so you don't get wrinkles, tears, or wasted film. Strong magnets snap it onto your fridge or metal cabinet, freeing up valuable counter space. It fits common wrap and foil rolls and keeps your kitchen looking neat, calm, and under control. So if you want a perfectly organized kitchen, scan the QR on screen. This isn't just a fridge, it's a piece of smart furniture. This compact cooling table rises up automatically, turning drinks and snacks into easy reach. You can charge your phone wirelessly, play music through the built-in speaker, and set the mood with colorful LED lighting. Smart alerts and app control keep everything running smoothly without effort. Add wheels for easy moving, and you've got a fridge, table, and tech hub all in one. Cleaning windows no longer means leaning, stretching, or taking risks. This smart window robot climbs on its own and scrubs from edge to edge so you don't miss a single spot. Built-in spray nozzles loosen tough dirt while rotating pads wipe it away in one smooth pass. Intelligent route planning makes sure every area gets cleaned evenly, without random back and forth. With multiple safety protections and cordless or plugged-in use, you just press start and watch your windows shine. Flat tires won't slow you down anymore. This portable air compressor pumps car, bike, or motorcycle tires in minutes with precise digital pressure control up to 120 psi. Just set your target, press start, and it auto shuts off when done, no guesswork needed. A built-in LED light and multiple adapters mean you can inflate tires, sports balls, or cushions anytime, even in the dark. Compact, cordless, and rechargeable, it's ready to go wherever you go. So if you want hassle-free tire inflation anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Grilling indoors just got a serious upgrade. This smart indoor grill and air fryer sears, crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates, all on your countertop. The dual sensor thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, so your steak or chicken is always perfect. Cyclonic air grilling gives that smoky BBQ flavor without the smoke or outdoor hassle. With XL capacity and a versatile crisper basket, You can cook family meals, sides, or snacks all at once. This isn't just a toilet, it's a full spa experience for your bathroom. The smart Bidet Seat offers warm water cleaning, gentle air drying, and a heated seat for comfort anytime. Auto open and flush features mean you never have to touch a handle, while side buttons give quick control over all functions. A soft night light sets a calming ambiance, and even kids can use it safely with the included child ring. Modern, hygienic, and convenient, it makes every visit effortless. Say goodbye to stubbed toes in the dark. These plug-in night lights turn on automatically when the sun goes down, giving your home a soft, warm glow. You can adjust brightness from a gentle night beam to a brighter light, perfect for hallways, kitchens, or bedrooms. The compact design won't block other outlets, and the rotatable plug works anywhere. Just plug in and relax. Your space stays cozy and safe all night long. So if you want a home that's always softly lit, scan the QR on screen. Dirt doesn't stand a chance against this handheld steam cleaner. It shoots pressurized, super hot steam that cleans floors, tiles, grout, upholstery, windows, and even cars. No chemicals needed. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to carry from room to room, while the fast heat up means you're ready in minutes. With 12 accessories, you can tackle every corner, crevice, and surface in your home. Powerful, safe, and versatile, it makes deep cleaning effortless. Brushing just got turbocharged. This U-shaped electric toothbrush cleans all your teeth at once in just 30 seconds. Its sonic vibrations reach every corner of your mouth, removing more plaque than a regular brush. Waterproof and rechargeable, it's ready for daily use without hassle. Kids aged 9 to 12 can enjoy a brighter, healthier smile in no time. Waking up doesn't have to be a jolt. This sunrise alarm clock gently brightens like a real sunrise, helping you wake up refreshed and ready. You can set 2 alarms for different schedules, or drift off with 10 soothing white noise sounds and timers for a perfect sleep. The touch lamp has 3 dim levels and doubles as a nightlight, while a built-in USB port keeps your devices charged. Snooze, gradual volume, and calming light make mornings easier, even for heavy sleepers. So if you want a peaceful, energized wake-up, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to slamming cabinet doors. These soft close dampers gently slow every close, keeping your cabinets quiet and smooth. You can adjust the speed with a simple turn, so heavy or light doors close just the way you like. Compact and sleek, they fit neatly on most hinges and protect your cabinets from scratches. Easy to install, they bring a touch of elegance with their polished nickel finish while making daily life a little quieter. Ditch the cluttered weights and upgrade your home gym. These adjustable dumbbells let you switch from light to heavy in just 1 second. 10 weight options cover every exercise, from curls to squats, for beginners and pros alike. The anti-slip handle keeps you safe, while the rust-resistant coating keeps them looking sharp. Compact and space-saving, they're perfect for building strength without filling your room with dozens of dumbbells. Trimming nails just got stress-free. This 2-in-1 electric nail clipper safely files and polishes nails for babies and adults. LED lights help you see every tiny nail clearly, while the built-in storage catches clippings for easy cleanup. 2 speed levels let you choose gentle or faster trimming, and USB charging keeps it ready anytime. Compact and quiet, it turns nail care into a simple, worry-free task. So if you want effortless, precise nail care, scan the QR on screen. Your toothbrush deserves a deep clean, not just a rinse. This wall-mounted holder uses dual UV lights to kill germs and keep bristles fresh. Wave your hand and the smart sensor opens automatically, while the LED screen shows cleaning progress and battery life. Air drying keeps brushes hygienic even in steamy bathrooms, and removable slots make cleanup simple. It fits most toothbrushes, so everyone in the family stays protected and healthy. Say goodbye to wasted food and messy storage. This vacuum sealer set keeps meals fresh up to 5 times longer with airtight containers and reusable bags. Easy zip closures make meal prep a breeze, so you can pack snacks or lunches in seconds. The containers are freezer and microwave safe, and the bags are reusable, saving both time and money. Perfect for home cooking or taking your favorite snacks on the go. Never run out of battery again. This portable charger keeps your iPhone and AirPods powered wherever you go. Built-in cables and a keychain design let you charge up to 3 devices at once, all without extra cords. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it fits in your pocket or clips to your bag. With safety protections against overheating and short circuits, you can charge confidently anytime, anywhere. So if you're tired of dead batteries, scan the QR on screen. Chill your drinks in style. This 2-in-1 ice tray makes both cubes and perfect ice balls, keeping cocktails, coffee, or juice extra cool. The sealed design prevents odors from the freezer and avoids touching ice with your hands. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and durable for long-term use. With 17 grids, you can make plenty of ice at once for parties, workouts, or just a refreshing drink at home. Level up your gaming like never before. This gun grip FPS Mouse gives you real recoil feedback for a lifelike shooting experience. The ergonomic vertical design reduces wrist strain, keeping you comfortable during long sessions. Trigger-based buttons let you pull, zoom, and burst like in a real game. With ultra-precise tracking and customizable profiles, every move feels fast, smooth, and in your control. Turn your kitchen into a dessert paradise. This ice cream maker whips up gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls with just one touch. 2 pint containers let you experiment with flavors, and mix-ins like chocolate, nuts, or fruit make every treat unique. 7 programs control speed and texture for perfect results every time. Compact, easy to use, and kid-friendly. It's your ticket to endless frozen fun. So, if you want perfect homemade desserts anytime, scan the QR on screen. Tired of touching gross trash bags? This automatic trash can take care of it for you. Just wave your hand or nudge with your knee, and the lid opens instantly, no contact needed. When it's full, it seals the bag for you and even pops in a fresh one automatically. It comes with 6 refill rings, giving you 120 bags to get started. Voice prompts guide you through every step, making it simple for anyone to use. Ever seen a lamp that feels like magic? This balance lamp lights up the moment you connect its 2 floating spheres, thanks to a clever magnetic switch. It's USB powered, so you can place it anywhere, desk, bedside, or office. The smooth, polished design makes it look like modern art while giving off a warm, inviting glow. It's both a functional light and a conversation-starting decoration. Cold feet? This little heater warms up your space in seconds. Its advanced ceramic element heats quickly and efficiently, filling your room with cozy warmth. Small and portable, you can move it from desk to bedside with ease. Safety features like overheat and tip-over protection keep you worry-free. Quiet enough at just 45 decibels, it's perfect for home, office, or dorms without disturbing your focus. So if you want instant cozy warmth anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Cooking just got a major upgrade. This automatic pan stirrer does the work for you, spinning your soups, sauces, and gravies hands-free. It has 3 speed settings, and LED lights show you exactly how fast it's going. The heat-resistant legs are safe for non-stick pans, and it's even dishwasher safe. Just pop it in, press a button, and let it stir while you focus on other tasks. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.